Changing your bank account on Domo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition. Step 1. Log into your Domo account. Access your Domo account by entering your username and password on the login page. Ensure that you have the necessary permissions to make changes to account settings. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard under your profile icon. Click on it to access your account management option. Step 3. Select payment information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Update bank account details. Find the option to edit or update your bank account information. Enter the new bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Double check for accuracy to avoid any issues with transactions. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering the new bank account information, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation prompt or email to verify that the changes were successful. Follow any additional instructions provided. By following these steps, you can easily change your bank account on Domo. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Domo support for assistance.